Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I've been getting a lot of requests lately that you guys want to see an updated perfume collection. I've been actually thinking about filming one. Then this morning I got this comment and she's like, can you please do an updated perfume collection? So I was like, you know what? I'm thinking about it. That means it's meant to be. So in this video, I'm just going to be talking about all of my recent purchases. So I pretty much still have all of the perfumes that I talked about in my last collections video, which I will link down below for you guys. So this is going to be more of like an update of what I've purchased or what I've received perfume collection. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let's jump into this video because it's going to be a long one. So I think I'm going to start from affordable to expensive, if that makes sense. Okay, first perfume you technically can't get anymore because it's not manufactured anymore, but they do sell it at Burlington. You know those perfumes that are discontinued, but you can still always buy them at Burlington? This is one of them. This is from Kardashian. Do you guys remember when she used to do those perfumes way before KKW fragrance? She used to always have a perfume. This is Fatle, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but this is what it looks like. This is pretty much rose in a bottle. Clearly you can tell by the bottle that it's going to be a rose scented perfume. It smells, hold on, this cap is always so hard to get off. Ugh. It literally smells like roses. So if you don't like the smell of roses, you are not going to like this, but I really like this, and the way that it mixes with my body chemistry, I really, really like. Whenever I wear this, I get so many compliments on it. It's like my work perfume because it was only $8 at Burlington, and I always buy the cheaper perfumes for work because I'm not going to use my $100 bottles of perfumes to wear to work. But yeah, anytime I wear this perfume, I get so many compliments on it. So if you guys love rose scented perfumes, you would love this. Definitely go to Burlington, check it out. But sticking with affordable, the next one is from Aeropostale. I feel like Aeropostale is so slept on when it comes to their perfumes. This is new. This is the Celestial Dreamer perfume. Another one that I like to wear to work. This one isn't as long wearing as the Kim Kardashian one, but I will mix this with other scents too to kind of make it last longer, but it smells amazing. I'm going to say that a lot, you guys. I really suck at describing perfumes. I'm going to do my absolute best for you, but pretty much I love perfumes, and it's really rare that I find one that I'm I don't like. So I am open to all types of different scents. You guys may not be, so just keep that in mind when you're watching this video. Something that I am obsessed over, you guys may not like. It just depends on what kind of scent you prefer. I prefer any type of thing that's gonna make me smell good, okay? I am not closed-minded to any scents, all right? But this one smells amazing, you guys, and it was $12. Aeropostale is always doing half off, so I think it retails $24, but I got it for $12. So for a work perfume, I'm here for it. Sticking with Kim Kardashian, so I don't know if you guys saw or if you guys know, but I have uploaded a few shorts about it and I've talked about it on TikTok a few times. You can get some KKW fragrances at Marshall's. You can't get all of them. You can really only get the opals, which I have. I bought a bunch of restocks on them. I'm absolutely insane. But this is actually one, I don't even know. Oh, it's with Jeff Leithman, or who did she collab with? Jeff Lethal? I'm not 100% sure. This is in the scent Fig. Oh, Rare Fig. Wow, yeah, you can't even really see it. It's rubbing off. So this is another very unique scent. At first, it stinks. It does not smell great. These are meant to be unisex, so you can definitely tell that it's not going to give you that floral, fruity vibe. It's definitely the unisex. You can definitely smell it. I want to say there's a lot of honey in here, because it smells kind of like honey or maple syrupy, kind of. But it smells really good, and at first, if you just smell it in the bottle, it's going to be one of those perfumes where you're going to put to the side and be ugh, not good. I almost returned it, but then I was wait, let me wear it and see how it smells. When it mixes with your body chemistry, that's when you really get the real smell of it, and I really like it. I personally don't mind men's colognes. If I needed perfume and I didn't have any, I would just spray my boyfriend's cologne, because I feel your body chemistry is always going to wear differently depending on your body chemistry, you know what I mean? This I would not say is one that you need to run out and buy, but it's definitely one that grows on you, if that makes sense. One of those scents that over time you will grow to love. I love it. Move on to affordable, but not super inexpensive like the first Kim Kardashian one. I don't know if you guys saw my Ulta haul, but I kind of blacked out on Pacifica's perfumes. I don't know what it was. I was just I need to purchase all of them. So I have 4 of them here. So let's start off with this one. This one I purchased because I smelt it in store and it is almost an identical dupe for the KKW Crystal Gardenia perfume. If you guys know me, that is one of my favorite perfumes of all time, but it's currently discontinued. I don't know if she's gonna bring it back. I sure hope she does, but this for right now is the closest that I'm going to get. This is called Tahitian Gardenia perfume and it actually lasts a really long time. I like this perfume so much. I wear it to work. Again, these are like my work perfumes. Then we have Dream Mood perfume. This one is, wait, is it this one or this one? This one smells really, really nice, but it doesn't last a long time, which is really annoying. And you only get 1 fluid ounce, and these retail for I think $22. So you can just see that the bottle is really, really tiny. I got these during the not the Sephora sale, during the Ulta sale, so they were half off, I believe. That was why I picked them up. This one, once I finish it, I will not repurchase it. It smells amazing, but it doesn't last at all, which is really, really annoying. Then you have this one, which is Flower Moon. This one, on the other hand, smells amazing and does last a really long time. So I do have the matching body sprays to all of these perfumes from Pacifica, so that's how I make them last longer. So if you're just gonna put perfume on with no moisturizer or no body spray, I feel like it's not going to last as long. So I always have moisturizer on or a body oil, whatever, and then I always I try to pair it with a matching body spray, but if it doesn't have it, obviously I'm just gonna wear the perfume. So with this one does last a really long time. Like I said, I do like to mix the body sprays. And then this one is my favorite. This is Silver Moon. This one lasts a really long time too. I love this one. It's very vanilla scented. I've never been one to die over vanilla scents, but this one I am addicted to. Oh my God, it literally smells amazing. So if you like vanilla scents, definitely check out this one from Pacifica. It is amazing. Let's move on to more expensive perfumes. So this one is from Ariana Grande. It's Maud. I don't know if it's just Maud. I actually forgot. I think it's just Maud. It's the pink one, not the vanilla one. So this one smells amazing. I actually love and hate this packaging. I always make the joke with my sister that it looks like a Jurassic Park dinosaur egg, but this is very unique. Her scents are very sweet, very fruity, very feminine. So if you're looking for a very sweet, feminine scent, this is for you. And I recently just learned that this perfume and the vanilla one that she came out with are meant to go together. I didn't even know that. So you're supposed to buy them and wear them together, and they're supposed to really complement each other and just smell amazing. And I have heard online that it smells really good when you mix the two of them. So yeah, this perfume is amazing. Whenever I wear this one too, I get so many compliments on it because it's very long lasting. But the thing is, you gotta spray a lot of it. You can't do one spray and be like, all right, I'm gonna smell great all day. No, I do 5, 6, 7, even sometimes 10 sprays of this, and that's how I get my perfumes to last all day. I OD on it. I am just extra when it comes to my perfumes. I do not care. I'm spraying as much as I possibly can. And this one, I don't think you need to do 10 sprays. You could do 7 and get away with it. But I do 10 with this just because I want it to last, and I want people, when I walk by, I want people to smell me. And this smells amazing. So if you like fruity scents, this one is for you. Okay, so now let's get into the bougier side of all of this. I'm gonna start with this one. This is from Versace. This is their new fragrance in the scent Dylan Purple. Again, another fruity, florally. Oh my God, this one just smells unlike any perfume that I own. I smelt it in Ulta. I was immediately drawn to it, and I was like, do I get it? Do I not get it? Do I get it? And I was like, no, I need to get it because it just smells amazing, you guys. It is one of my favorite scents. I don't really use it because it's so expensive, but it's very unique because, like I said, it doesn't smell like anything that I own. So I had to pick it up. If you like fruity scents, this one from Versace is for you. Finish up with the ones that I have purchased, then we're gonna get into the ones that I've received in PR. So this one is a recent purchase of mine. This is C from Giorgio Armani, and it's the florally one. So there's the original C, which is just the clear one, which I also have, and then there's this one, which is in the pink bottle. You guys, this perfume it may be my favorite perfume at the moment. I love this one. I'm going to explain to you why, because when I was on the cruise, I bought this and I sprayed it all over this dress that I was wearing on the last night of the cruise. And that dress is hanging in my closet. Whenever I open my closet, I just get a whiff of this perfume. This perfume may be really expensive, but it is a fruity, not really fruity, but a florally soft dream. It's so intense without being overwhelming. You know how some of those scents can be really, really overwhelming where they like burn your nose. This one is not like that at all. It just smells amazing, and clearly it's long lasting. I wore this shirt last week that I haven't even sprayed this perfume on, and I smelled this perfume all day. That's just because of how strong the scent is. And that shirt was hanging in the closet with the dress that I sprayed this perfume all over. And you can just tell that this perfume smells and is going to last such a long time. So if you want to be bougie, this one is for you. So this one my boyfriend actually got for us for our anniversary. This is Valentino's Born in Roma. This is the new intense version, and you guys, oh my god, this makes me feel so many different feelings. This is like the perfect fruity but sexy perfume, if that makes sense. If you want to go out and you want your man to be like, damn, like you smell real good, this is the perfume that is going to entice him 100%. Oh my god, it smells so amazing. I love it. I originally had like the original one of this in like a little like dabber perfume, you know, those ones you just like kind of like dabble over yourself. I had that one, and then when they came out with this, I told him, I was like, you need to buy me the intense version because this perfume smells amazing. These two may be in competition for my favorite perfumes at the moment just because they smell so good. Now we're gonna get into perfumes that were sent to me. So we're first gonna start off with Fleur. This one I do not know how to pronounce. I think it's Emily, or I really don't know, you guys, so I apologize, but this is like your grandma but better. So it's kind of like that. So it's kind of like this one from Kim Kardashian, but not as rose scented. So it's definitely rosy. But no, oh my god, this one, I can't pick a favorite because this one smells so good too. All of these from Fleur, oh my god, smell amazing. But this is like your grandma when she was younger, if that makes sense. Like, I don't really know how to describe it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful scent. So if you really like floral scents, this one is definitely for you. 10 out of freaking 10. Then we have the iconic Missing Person perfume. This one is very, very unique. Oh my god. It's very musky, and it's almost masculine but feminine at the same time. I wore this last month. I went when I flew to Florida to go on my cruise. I wore this on the plane, and you guys, the longer that this perfume is on your skin, the better it smells. It's one of those perfumes you got to give a second to like really warm up to your skin, and then once it does, you are going to smell incredible. I love this. Again, it is so unique, and at first when I first smelled it like over a year ago when it went viral originally, I was like, oh, like, it's okay, it doesn't smell like that great. But when I smelled it, I smelled a sample in Sephora, and there was pretty much like nothing left in here. When I finally got a real smell of it, my friend had it, and I smelled hers, I was like, wow, I really understand the hype about this because it doesn't smell like any other perfume that I own. It is very, very unique. Speaking of unique, I didn't ever think in my entire existence that I would like a perfume that smells like this. So this is new from Fleur. This is their scent Solar Power. If you like the scent of being at the beach with all the different smells of all the different sunscreens, then this perfume is for you. Again, it's unlike any other perfume that I've ever smelled. That's what I feel like Fleur is. I feel like Fleur is that fragrance company that's going to give you scents that are unlike anything on the market, and I have never smelled anything like the three of these. Maybe the first one, it's like similar to other ones, but these two are so unique. And if you like I said, to smell like you're on the beach, or you want that perfect summer beachy fragrance, this is for you. Again, it's the scent Solar Power. It smells amazing. Up next, these two were actually sent to me, so I don't know if they made a mistake because they sent me the same one twice, but this is from Ellis, Brooklyn, and I just uploaded a short on it. This is in the scent Florist. You guys, I have seen this frigging perfume brand all over TikTok, so I emailed them and was like, I would love to try one of your perfumes. They were like, all right, which one would you want to try? And they sent me over this one. And this is the perfect gardenia one. So remember how I said this one is kind of like a dupe for the KKW one? This one, to a degree, can be a dupe as well. Which one have I used? Okay, so it's this one. Yeah, this one smells like gardenia, but florally. Yeah, this one smells so much gardenia, and it also has honeysuckle in there. When I first smelled this, I was like, I'm recognizing gardenia, but what's that other scent? And it's honeysuckle. And the two of these together, you guys, oh my god, this one smells amazing as well. If you like gardenia scents like me, definitely check this one out from Ellis, Brooklyn. It smells like a gardenia dream. So these two are brand new. I actually just got these in the mail yesterday. So they're from this perfume company called Noteworthy, and I had never heard of them. When they emailed me, I was like, So I did a little research on them, and they actually are this perfume company that's made in the US, cruelty-free, all of that. And they do this thing where they make you take a quiz to find like your perfect scent, which I think is so cool. So they sent me over 2 perfumes. They actually sent me over 3, but the other one is a travel one. This one is N818, and then this one is N144. I did do a full TikTok on these, so if you want like a full in-depth like review and all the notes, definitely check out my TikTok. But the 818, I think, is my favorite. It has apples and wood and milk. I've never heard of a perfume having milk in there, but this one, you guys, smells amazing. And then this one, if you like citrus like scents, yeah, this one is for you. This one has lemon, citrus, and then one other note that I forgot. But yeah, these smell so good. I really wasn't expecting much when they sent me them. I was like, all right, hopefully they smell good. But you guys, I was blown away with how amazing these smell. Definitely check them out. Again, they're called Noteworthy, and you just go on their website, you take a quiz, and then they customize like the perfume for you. I think that's so cool. I thought that I was done with my perfumes, and I looked over really quick, and then I realized I didn't talk about this in my last video. At least I'm pretty sure I didn't, because I'm pretty sure I just bought this a few months ago. This is from Zara. This is in the scent Ultra Juicy. Now this one reminds me of my childhood, you guys. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely fruity, and it just reminds me so much of my childhood. And I heard a rumor, not really a rumor, but my friend told me that Jo Malone makes the Zara perfumes, and I was like, that makes so much sense as to why they smell so unique and why they last such a long time. This perfume I think is like $17. Again, it's the scent Ultra Juicy, and you are definitely going to smell juicy with this one. I have been using this perfume since like 2019, and I always repurchase it because of how much I love it. I do wear it to work a lot because, like I said before, I do wear a lot of my more affordable options to work, but this one, you guys, smells so good. Go to Zara, check out their perfume collection because they have so many amazing ones. Hey guys, so that completes this updated perfume collection. I know that I have a lot, and I pretty much love all of them, but like I said in the beginning, I am not super picky when it comes to my perfumes. I do love a ton of them, and my goal in life is to always smell good. I don't care. I think I would rather look bad than look great and stink. Because if you look good but then you stink, I think the stinking is gonna leave more of a lasting impression than the looking good. So I really take pride in the way that I smell. Like, it is one of my favorite things of life, okay? But yeah, so that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please let me know down below if you have tried any of these perfumes, what your thoughts are. Do you think I'm absolutely psychotic? Because I think I'm psychotic. I think I counted the other day, and I have like 53, or now I have like 56 bottles of perfume. Nobody on this planet needs that many perfumes. I don't know who I think I am. But yeah, so like I said, that is all I have for you guys in today's video. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.